Wow.
Well, at least 14 people have died in the tornadoes that swept through the Oklahoma City area Friday night. The dead include 9 adults and 5 children. 3 storm chasers died, including Tim Samaras, his son Paul, and co-worker Carl Young. Well, a storm chaser in Green Bay knows the storm chasers who were killed Friday night. Marvin Radke has chased storms for about 10 years. He met Samaras at spotter conventions. Radke himself has come close to getting caught in a tornado, and he says it just isn't worth it.
When I go out there, my mind just empties out and I just take in all I can. Don't do it. Don't try to get out there. Don't go for your 5 minutes of fame on YouTube. It's not worth it.
And Radke not sure if he is going to continue chasing storms, but he says he does have a responsibility to warn others about storms that are approaching. And coming up on Wisconsin Tonight, we're going to talk with 2 experienced storm chasers about why they chase storms. That's coming up at 6:30.
Yeah, pretty compelling stuff. Well, now let's check in with Michael Fish.